Listen, let me show you how I make my spicy cream chicken pasta. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off with some washed chicken. And yes, I wash my chicken. If you don't wash your chicken, then go on somewhere with that foolishness now. I don't want to hear nothing about how chicken shouldn't be washed, because we wash our chicken right here. I'm gonna add some olive oil in there, some complete seasoning, some red pepper flakes, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and of course Zatarain's blackened seasoning. Somebody tag Zatarain's in the comments because I am always advertising for them and they need to go ahead and cut me my check. Then I'm gonna mix that chicken up until it's all nice and coated with all that good seasoning. Then in a pan on medium high heat, I'm gonna drop that chicken in there. Now this chicken is only gonna cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. It's only gonna be partially cooked because when I drop it in that delicious sauce, it's gonna cook more. Now after about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna remove that chicken. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cook the veggies. I'm gonna drop some unsalted butter in there because it's always unsalted. I don't want it any other way. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil in there. Then I'm gonna drop those portobello mushrooms and those delicious onions in there. Then I'm gonna add some garlic paste if it will come out, because it ain't a recipe without the garlic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let those veggies cook for about 2 minutes and flip them around so they get nice and cooked all over. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper and go in there with some salt because I do like to season my food in layers. If you know, you know. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up all nice and good. Then I'm gonna hit it with that chicken broth, okay? I'm gonna add that chicken broth in there. Then to give it a little spice, I'm gonna add that sriracha. Yeah, I know it looked like a lot, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be oh so delicious. Now I'm gonna mix that up until that broth and sriracha is married. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add that heavy cream. Listen, so the camera wasn't even recording when I added that heavy cream. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with that delicious Parmesan cheese. And because my pot was too little, I'm gonna just go ahead and add that chicken breast in there. But I'm not gonna add the pasta in there because it will overflow. So instead, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the spinach in there and add a lot because you know spinach cooked down to be nothing. But once that's done, after cooking for about another additional minute, I'm gonna go ahead and add that into a bowl with the pasta and I'm gonna plate it. Excuse me, if I could learn how to talk, I'm gonna plate it in a pretty dish. I'm gonna add that chicken on top of there because it can never be too much chicken. Then I'm gonna add that delicious cream sauce on top, some Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna add some fresh parsley for a little razzle dazzle. And look at that. Boy, I'm telling you, y'all, listen to me now. This pasta is simple, but it is so good. You got to make it.